Moving a step further into the functioning of the heart, we see how the contractions of the atrial and ventricular muscles work together with the valves. This activity is organized into two main phases of the heartbeat, known as systole and diastole, which ensure continuous circulation of blood throughout the body. Systole is the phase when the heart muscles contract, forcing blood out of the chambers. During this phase, the atrioventricular valves, the tricuspid and mitral valves, are closed to prevent backflow into the atria, while the semolina valves, the aortic and pulmonary valves, open to allow blood to move into the aorta and pulmonary artery. Diastole, on the other hand, is when the heart muscles relax, allowing the chambers to fill with blood again. In this phase, the atrioventricular valves are open, letting blood flow from the atria into the ventricles, while the semolina valves are closed to stop blood from returning from the arteries. These two phases work in a continuous cycle. The synchronized contraction and relaxation of the atria and ventricles, combined with the opening and closing of the valves, allow the heart to function as an efficient pump, maintaining a steady, one-way flow of blood to the lungs and the rest of the body. So, let's focus on systole first. Systole is the phase of the heartbeat when the heart muscles contract. During this phase, the ventricles contract, pumping blood out of the heart. Blood from the left ventricle is forced into the aorta, while blood from the right ventricle is pushed into the pulmonary artery. Because the ventricles are actively contracting to move blood, blood pressure is higher during systole. At this time, the aortic and pulmonary valves are open, allowing blood to flow into the arteries, while the tricuspid and mitral, or bicuspid, valves are closed to prevent blood from flowing back into the atria. This coordinated action ensures that blood moves efficiently in one direction during each heartbeat. Now let's look at diastole, the phase of the heartbeat when the heart muscles relax. During this phase, both the atria and ventricles fill with blood in preparation for the next contraction. The atrioventricular valves, the tricuspid and mitral valves, are open to allow blood to flow from the atria into the ventricles. Meanwhile, the aortic and pulmonary valves are closed to prevent blood from flowing back from the arteries into the heart. Because the heart is relaxed and filling with blood, blood pressure is lower during diastole. This phase, together with systole, ensures a continuous, efficient flow of blood throughout the body.